अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू नहमदु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। The effort of Iman. Respected elders, it is the great favor and mercy of Allah that He has granted us Iman. No other blessing of Allah can equal the blessing of Iman. The world will continue as long as there are people with Iman. The day when not a single person with Iman, remaining only the face of the earth, Allah Ta'ala will destroy the whole universe. However, we have to realize that Iman has to be learned once. The Sahabiya radiallahu anha used to say, we learn first Iman, then we learn a Quran. May Allah used to say the effort of learning Iman. Ameen wa akhiratu da'wa ana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera.